Alright guys, so not very long ago I introduced a product that we have on the website and I showed you how it works in aftermarket radios. We went through a bunch of different head units, Alpine, Pioneer, Kenwood, and this was working on all of them. Today I'm going to show you how we can use this product in vehicles equipped with Apple CarPlay from factory. So we have our BMW M2 here that has factory wireless CarPlay. We've also got a i30 N Sport with factory wired CarPlay. So we're going to show you how they work in two totally different vehicles. And as you can see here, we've got a couple different iterations of the device as we like to do thorough testing before we introduce them to the channel. Now, basically, in the kit, you'll have the little device itself, little wiring harness thing. I'll get that out and I'll show you what's in here. So this is the device that you need to keep in the vehicle with you. Little user manual comes with it. It has a USB-C to USB-A plug and it has an optional GPS antenna, so this is going to help with Android features if you want to log your time and day basically. So this is optional. I've never used it once, but I need it. This is all we need. That and a car with CarPlay, and this will give you YouTube, Netflix, KO Sports, you name it, all that great stuff. If you've got wired CarPlay, it will turn it wireless for you. It does not give you Android Auto. A lot of people ask that. It doesn't, unfortunately. So let's jump right in the car and have a look at how it works. So what you need to do, if you have wired CarPlay, exact same thing. This is wireless only CarPlay, so it's a little bit harder to connect, but I will show you how to do that. Plug in your device to the USB port. Okay, boom. You'll see it begin to light up. That's all right, you can just leave that away now, it's pretty much done. On your vehicle, you're gonna go to communication, we're gonna manage devices, and we're gonna connect a new device. Let me just delete this one. So basically what we did here was on the device, on the unit, I looked for connected device, add an Apple CarPlay device, checked that this was solid green, and then just hit OK. So the vehicle searches and this thing actually does the heavy lifting for you. So selects the car, it'll check the pass key, this will all happen automatically. Activating CarPlay, connecting to CarPlay. Okay, so this is done all wirelessly right through the iDrive system. And this is, like I said, the hard way of doing it. So there is an easier way, which we'll show you in the next vehicle. Boom. Done. Okay, so now we are in, turn the air down, and you can see I'm using the iDrive controller to control the device. You can also use your touchscreen if the car is touchscreen. Now look at this, you've got YouTube right there, Google Play Store, so if you want to go in there and download Stan, Netflix, or Netflix is already, we've got actually, you know, Stan, KO Sports, UFC, whatever you want, right? It's pretty hectic. So we're going to go back one page, we're going to go over to settings, WLAN, okay, so for Wi-Fi. You're going to go to your phone, you're going to turn on your hotspot. You're going to look for your phone, right, chuck the password in. Okay, you're going to connect to your hotspot and you'll see here your hotspot is active on your phone. And now this thing has internet through your phone. So you can pretty much leave your phone away now, don't worry about it. Go to YouTube. Look at that. Okay, give it a sec, it's loading. And there you have it. So you can sign into your account, all of your account subscriptions and all that sort of stuff will come up. This is just a standard account, so nothing's gonna work. But just to show you, we can turn that on, get the volume up. There you have it. YouTube. Pretty cool. So we'll go home. Okay, get out of there. So now we're out of YouTube. We've got Netflix here. That's just gonna load up. Sign into your Netflix account and off you go. Run with Netflix. And the last thing is Play Store. So you can go into Google Play Store, log in, sign up, and start downloading apps and enjoying this device. So that is this car. Now I'll show you the other car. We are now in a Hyundai i30N Sport. So the first car was the M2, now we're in the i30. These two cars can be replaced with any car that has a screen and CarPlay, okay? So all we're gonna do for this car is plug it in as we did in the last car, but we're not gonna worry about a wireless connection because this vehicle does wired CarPlay. So you're gonna see that's gonna boot up there. And all we're gonna do is keep an eye on our Apple CarPlay symbol on the car here, and then it'll light up once this thing has paired and done its thing. So you'll see that in about 2 seconds.
A few moments later.
CarPlay. And kaboom. There it is, guys. Now we are straight in. A couple things to note. If you notice that it's only using a sort of half top corner of the screen, unplug it, plug it back in. It'll readjust the size and the screen will be full like it is on this one. We've got a nice big screen here. Working with the factory touch. As you see here, we have CarPlay. Like I said, it does wireless CarPlay, so you can now use wireless CarPlay, which means this device can pretty much just stay plugged into the vehicle. More apps, same thing, YouTube, Netflix, Google Play, it's all there ready to go. It works while you're driving. It doesn't matter if you're standing still or driving or whatever, it's all gonna work. So we showed you YouTube on my car. We're gonna show you Netflix on this one. We'll go to Brandon's account here. So obviously do not watch these things while you're driving. That's illegal. We do not condone that. That's very, very bad behavior. But if you wanted to catch up on the latest season of Ozark, right, while you're sitting in the car, not moving, waiting, you can do that. Or if you're on a long drive and you're focused on the road and your passengers want something to watch, they can catch up on Ozark as well. But that's pretty much it, okay? So we'll turn it on. Okay, if you haven't seen this show, get into it. Become an ad for Netflix. Oh, look at that, sounds great. Right through the sound system. This is amazing. Nice. Just sets the scene.
Scratch. Wampum. Dough. Sugar. Clams. Lube.
Okay, anyway. So that is pretty much the system, guys. Like I said, it's not just YouTube and Netflix. You can download any app that you want. There's a whole bunch of things you can do on this device. We have spent a lot of time in R&D and testing, so you don't have to worry about that. You know that this is the device that works. Yeah, it's pretty much it. I don't know, there's not a lot to them, but they're very, very awesome. And as I said, only in cars that are equipped with CarPlay from factory. If you've got a screen and no CarPlay, forget it, not gonna work. If you've got a screen with CarPlay, it's gonna work. This link for this exact kit will be on our website, www.shoptfb.com. If you wanna go ahead and pick one up, you can pick them up. If you have any questions regarding the device, drop a comment below. We'll have all of the specs on the website, and that's pretty much it. So thank you all so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.